lever experiment. We need clay, more clay, domino, and a seesaw-like structure. Well, a seesaw is a perfect example for a lever. Wingo. Now it's balancing. If we put load here and effort have to be here to lift the load. Now the load is here. Now we have to put effort to lift. A seesaw is a good example for this. Heavy load is here and the fulcrum is here. When the fulcrum is here and the load is here, we have less effort to lift the load. That's because when the seesaw gets when the actual fulcrum gets closer, the weight where we put the effort gets heavier. After it gets the same weight as the load, it will lift the load.